Two AI giants, one showdown. Leonardo AI versus ElevenLabs. Which one really delivers? On the left, Leonardo AI, lightning-fast image and video creation for artists. On the right, ElevenLabs, the leader in hyper-realistic AI voice and speech synthesis. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, before we jump in, let's check out the roadmap for this battle. Here's the mind map. First, we'll talk about core focus. After that, speed and efficiency. Then, usability and UX, features, community and support, pricing. And finally, who these tools are really for, target audience. All right, ready? Let's roll. Starting with core focus, Leonardo AI is all about visual magic. Crazy powerful image, video, and even texture generation. You can train models with your own stuff, edit everything, and honestly, it just spits out results super quick. Though, those advanced features can kinda make your head spin if you're brand new. Oh, and sticking to the same character design? Sometimes that's hit or miss. Now, ElevenLabs is king of audio, hands down. You get top-tier text-to-speech, voice cloning that actually sounds like humans, and it's got multi-language support too. APIs if you want to nerd out with integrations. Only thing, it's really focused on audio, so no visuals here, and you might outgrow the free tier fast. When it comes to what each does best, they're undefeated in their own lanes, so I'm just going to call this a tie. On to speed and efficiency. So, Leonardo AI, wow, this thing turns out images faster than Midjourney or DALL-E. High res? No problem. You can even run a bunch of jobs at once. Of course, sometimes you've got to jump through a couple steps, so not always instant. And now, ElevenLabs. It fires off audio pretty much instantly, and APIs respond in a flash. But if everyone's using it at the same time, you might hit a little audio processing lag. Overall, for speed, Leonardo really has the edge here. Faster visuals, way more real-time parallel jobs. It takes the win. Next up is usability and UX. This is one I get pumped about because if an app is annoying to use, I'm out. With Leonardo AI, there's no weird Discord requirement like some of the competition. The UI gets real love on Reddit and Trustpilot, and they even put out tutorials and webinars. Still, the complex settings can send beginners running for the hills. ElevenLabs keeps things simple, with a nice clean interface and a super smooth workflow for voice cloning. Docs are clear, but honestly, it's a little plain visually. Nothing really creative to catch your eye. For overall experience, Leonardo AI has the advantage. It's friendlier for artists, and those tutorials are super helpful. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know? Leonardo AI can turn sketches into full illustrations in seconds, while ElevenLabs can clone voices and read text as any character you imagine. Seriously, the stuff these AIs can pull off is like sci-fi becoming reality. Features. Okay, this is where it gets wild. Leonardo AI does text-to-image, video, texture, AI canvas, and that fancy Phoenix model that lets you control your prompts insanely tightly. You get transparent PNGs, upscaling, character reference stuff, basically a visual playground. But yeah, no audio at all. On the flip side, ElevenLabs gives you high-grade text-to-speech, voice cloning, multi-language options, and real-time API integration. No images though, just voices. See the pattern? Each goes all in on their specialty. So, gotta respect that. It's a tie for features. Let's get into community and support. Leonardo AI has this super active Discord with over 4 million creators. Yeah, that's a huge crowd. Their support team moves fast too. Although, with all that demand, ticket times can creep up. ElevenLabs has a smaller but dedicated developer base, good forums, and support channels running around the clock. But honestly, it's hard to beat that massive Leonardo community. So Leonardo edges out here. All right, pricing. How much dent in the wallet are we talking? Leonardo AI gives a pretty good bang for your buck. Free tiers there. Paid plans open the floodgates, but if you're hardcore, those tokens can disappear real quick. ElevenLabs also throws in a free version. Cheapest plan is like $9 a month, and paid tiers come with API access. The free stuff though, yeah, some big limitations. So both are affordable, decent free options, but neither is perfect on the free end. I'm calling this one a tie. Target audience. Leonardo AI is clearly aiming for designers, marketers, storytellers, game devs, and pretty much anyone who needs visuals. But if you only care about audio, you're not going to love it. ElevenLabs is built for podcasters, voice actors, publishers, content creators who want awesome speech but don't care about graphics. For visuals, not for you. They both know who they're targeting and nail it. So, again, tie. All right, let's check the score radar. Leonardo really shines with speed, usability, and a giant community. ElevenLabs dominates the audio sphere and keeps its workflow super clean. Features, core focus, and pricing, they're neck and neck. Visually, Leonardo pulls ahead, but for voice tech, ElevenLabs can't be beat. So, final thoughts. Leonardo AI just rules the whole image and video space in 2025. Artists and designers are obsessed with how quick and flexible it is. Meanwhile, ElevenLabs is basically the gold standard for voice AI. If you need to generate lifelike speech or clone voices, podcasters and narrators are going to drool over this. Want visuals? Leonardo's your pick. Need audio? Go ElevenLabs. It's really about what kind of creator you are. Which AI tool fits your creative process? Let me know what you're thinking. Follow for more detailed comparisons and smart picks.